Hello everyone, my name is Avril and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to create an indoor wall feature using a terracotta pot and a few other supplies. So stay tuned. Here are a few things you will need for this project. So let's get started. You will need paint. I used Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the color linen white. If you don't have this in hand, you could use whatever you got. You will also need sandpaper. I used 180 grit. To get the desired look I was after, I used 6 terracotta pots. However, for this video, I just used one as an example. You will need a paintbrush, all-purpose potting mix of your choice, you will also need indoor plants of your choice which will complement your area. Last but not least, you will need these flower pot clips and brackets, which I purchased from Amazon. I will link the description below for your reference. Afterwards, I painted all 6 of my pots, gave it 2 generous coats of paint and set it out to dry for a couple of hours. A couple of hours later, once my pot had dried, I sanded it using the 180 grit sandpaper and distressed it to suit my desired look, going for a more rugged and rustic look, so I had to sandpaper it a bit more than usual. Once the sanding was done, I then potted my plant and it was ready to be hung. Here you see me screwing in the wall bracket and the flower clip onto the wall. I did this 6 times and then hung my pot. This is how it turned out and I love how it looks in my entryway. I also added a welcome sign to give it a more farmhouse country look. Hope you like it. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Until I see you again, have a great day.